My video guide will provide you with instructions about getting rid of the ransomware called Makop. Makop is the ransomware type infection that currently attacks many Windows computers all over the world today. The ransomware is able to encrypt the files that people store on their hard drives. Obviously, it's a good idea not to store some crucial files on the hard drives, or if you store them, it's a good idea that you periodically disconnect your external hard drive in order to make your data more safe. But unfortunately, some people might store some valuable information, and in some cases the ransomware may be injected into the system. Obviously, before the ransomware attack, people can open their files without problems. However, because of certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, because of failure of the current security protection to defend the system on a timely basis, this Makop ransomware may be injected into the computer. This is the scary message that says all your files have been encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom to get your files restored. The ransomware also quotes this email address for the victims to contact its developers for decryption guidelines. But paying the ransom or contacting these criminals surely does not recommend that your files would be recovered. So the ransomware adds this special Makop extension to the files. People cannot open their files anymore. First thing we recommend you to do is to go to the task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes with long random names, right-click on them and end their task in order to stop the further file encryption. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner antivirus. To download it, we recommend you to use Internet Explorer browser. Go to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then start carefully investigating your computer with its help. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system and will give you the summary of threats at the end of scanning. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type infections. Its premium version has got anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several protected folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So after the scanning is over, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their location, so you may remove each threat manually, but we do recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license to delete these threats automatically.